Hello all, welcome back to day 2 session of mobile programming, and in this session we are going to learn about an interesting app and which we have used many times. So that is nothing but Talking Tom. Yes, we are going to do a Talking Tom app. So let us start creating this app and let us see how to design and how to program in the next session. But how to design the screen we're going to see in this particular session, which we have learned in our day 2 sessions, right? So for that reason, and let us start this game. Let us click on this start new project and create this project Talking Tom. I'm writing this name without giving any space, so let me, instead of space, let me just put a underscore. Okay, this underscore t. Yes, Talking Tom. Yes, I'm able to create this. And once you name your project, so you will see the screen, and this screen, as you know, this is our development screen where we have so many different sections. I'm going to repeat this for the beginners who have not seen, who have not attended our previous sessions. So this is nothing but a palette where we get different components, and we have a viewer screen, so where we can just drag and drop components and design a screen. And this is a components where, whatever the component that we drag and drop to our screen, those components will be available over here. And for each component we have different properties, and that's what we see here in the last column. And we have one more column that is nothing but our media, and if we want to upload any images or anything, so we can just come here and upload the media, multimedia, that is nothing but our pictures, audio, video, anything that we want, right? So today we are going to see that how to upload the file. So let us start creating our project. Okay, so first what we want, so whenever we see the Talking Tom app, we have a Tom which stands there and it has a lot of animations. It can talk and do something, right? So but here we are little limited to the animations, we cannot animate anything. But let us depict a picture of a Tom, Talking Tom cat. Okay, so let us choose by going to one of the other window, and let us search for Talking Tom image PNG. So PNG is nothing but one of the file format of the picture. So let us search for it, and yes, maybe this one. This seems to be good, right? So let us take this Tom. Let me, I'm showing you how to save the image from the internet. Okay, so you can just choose your favorite image, and then you go right click on the image. You see something called as save image as, and please don't select on save link as. So if you do save link as, it will be a HTML file, and if you save the file also, if you upload the file also, you'll not be able to see the image. And in our last session we did this mistake, so please don't repeat this mistake. Many of you did this. So instead of save link as, you have to select on save image as. Okay, save image as, and immediately the screen will come. And let me just name this cat as cat1. Okay, so this is the name that I'm giving. It can be of a web file. Okay, web p file type. Okay, it can be of this type, and our app inventor supports this. Instead of this, you can also save this as a png, you can also save this as jpeg, a lot of different types, but these three types will support. Okay, let us save this. Yes, you can see this cat png got saved here, and the cat image got saved there. And I'm closing this. Let me go to the app inventor screen again. So after selecting, like after downloading one of the images, so we have an image icon, and I just want my image icon to be here, and then the button icon to be here. Okay, so now what I'll do is I'll just go to click on the image, and if I click on the image, immediately you see the properties that is changing, right? So it was in the screen one, it was having a lot of properties, but image has a very less property. So let us go to that image, let us keep everything as it is automatic, and let us select one of the images. So in images we don't have any, right? So let us cancel this and go to media. Okay, in the media you can click on upload file and choose the file. So in this choose file you can see, so here how to choose a file, like whatever the image that you have downloaded, right, that will be there here. Okay, so click on this cat image that you have downloaded. So it will be usually in downloads or in the desktop, so wherever you have saved. So please see to it you will be saving to your downloads or to your desktop. Only these two places you need to download. If you don't know, you can just, I'll just show you again like how to download to the desktop, okay, or how to download to the downloads over here. So click on that cat image and click on open file, and you can see immediately that file name is visible here, and click on OK. So once the cat file is ready, so this will, you can see in the media the cat file is getting updated, and once this is updated, this is the time for us to go to this properties of the image one and click on this picture and click on this cat1 image and click OK. So once we do this, you can see immediately your screen will get updated with that particular cat, and whatever the cat that we saw here, that is there in our app. So it is like, it is not center aligned, right? So for that reason, let us go to the screen one and choose horizontal arrangement to the center, and you can see the cat is in the middle of the screen. But we also have a button, right? But that button is not visible to us. So how to make this visible? So uh, we are not able to see, right? So what I'll do, I'll just go to the screen one properties. In the screen one properties, we have something called as scrollable. So if you enable the scrollable, you will be able to scroll your screen like this. See, you'll be able to scroll your screen like this, and whatever the whatever the components that you want, as many components as you want, you can just update it below. Okay, hope you got this point. So now after checking that box as scrollable, I'll just try to rename this particular button. So renaming means, like in the properties, I'll just edit this button text to press to talk with me. So this is the message I'm giving on the text, so that the user will understand that I have to click that button to speak. So after doing all these things, we need to drag and drop two other components, that is nothing but our text to speech component. So this particular component helps in, whatever we talk, that will get recognized by the mobile, and it will save the text in that particular result, and that result will be in the form of a text, and that text will be like converted to speech. For that reason, we need this particular text to speech component, and another component is sound speech recognizer. So this speech recognizer will recognize your voice, and it will update you with the text. So this is what will happen, right? So for that reason, we require these four components. So I said you, right, I'll teach you how to save that to a desktop. Say for example, I want to save this um, image to the desktop. Okay, I'll just right click, and I'll go to save image as, and when I go to save image as, see, I have selected, you can just see this path, this PC, and in downloads I'm trying to save. Instead of this, you can just select this desktop also. See here, like this, you can select the desktop, and then you can save your cat, and immediately you can see in the desktop this particular Tom image is getting appeared. So this way you will be able to save the image wherever you want, and you can just go back to the same address to find it back whenever you just want to upload it. So this way we have designed our screen, and in the next session we are going to see how to code this. Okay, so let's meet in the next session for how to code this using blocks. Okay, let's meet then. Bye, take care.